You guys, if you are like me that cooks moi moi all the time, at least once in a week or every other week, I believe you will have this moi moi pouch. And if you have it, I don't know how you clean it. I don't know how you wash it. I want to show you how I wash my moi moi pouch today because this is reusable. I have used it multiple times. And today I decided to share how I wash it. how I wash it. So let me show you. First, you open it up like so. Add hot water. At least not too hot. The way your hand, you can tolerate. Now, after filling water, add soap and allow it to sit for some minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Now I'm going to start washing. For you to wash it properly, you have to have this brush that they use to wash baby's feeding bottle. That way it will help you to wash it properly. Now let's go and wash it. Now, this is how you wash. You see that it's foaming. I have used it multiple times. Look at that. It's already clean because I soaked it in with hot water. Look at it. It's already clean. Doesn't take time. With this brush, you are good to go. Look at that. It's already clean. But I haven't finished. I still need to rinse it. Now I'm going to add some vinegar to rinse it. Just like this. This is for salad, for washing of salad. So I'm going to rinse it properly like so. You guys, we are done washing. Look at that. Just keep it upside down to dry. After drying, you just fold it like so and put it where you normally put it, or just put it in the plastic bag, tie it and keep it for future use for another time. But this one, I just finished washing now. It's not dried yet. I'm gonna allow it to dry, and yeah, I hope this video is helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and see you in my next one. Bye.